I may not have the most charismatic voice, but you need to hear this. Here are 5 things you must understand about yourself. 1. Be humble. We are all takers. We are born indebted to inventors for the gift of comfort, to our guardians for the gift of safety, to our forefathers for the gift of freedom, and mostly to our parents for the gift of love. No matter who you are, you will never be able to repay that debt. So be humble. 2. You are uniqueness incarnate. Your life, your journey, your circumstances are all exclusive to you and carry a special purpose. You are specifically placed in this time, in this body, in this space, born to this family with these specific features for a reason. The beauty of life is finding that reason. 3. Faith is not an unnecessary add-on. It is the bridge to happiness. This channel is about self-mastery, and faith is a necessary component. Why? Because without the assurance of continuity, you won't make the many necessary sacrifices of time and self to help others. And since happiness can only ever be gained when given, you will never be whole and reach your true potential. Here's your good deed for the day. Allow me the opportunity to reach to as many people as I can by subscribing to the channel. And I promise in return, I will keep all videos short and insightful for busy people like you. 4. No one is ahead of you. We often measure life in terms of accomplishments and possessions, but happiness does not abide by these scales. I've witnessed joy in the eyes of those who can hardly afford bread, and sorrow in the hearts of millionaires. All the glamorous add-ons did not make them any happier than how happy they chose to be. Success is a state of mind, not a state of account. 5. Hate is worse than you think. Hate creates anger. Anger costs control. Thus, hate will always be weaponized to gain control. Do not become a tool by those who control through anger and division. Have faith in people, no matter how different they are from you.